Hello student, very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are happy, healthy and fine at home. Do you remember what were we discussing yesterday? I think yesterday we were discussing about the multiple choice question or objective type based on chapter number 1. The name of chapter 1 is a polynuclear and the heteronuclear aromatic heterocyclic compound, aromatic heterocyclic heteronuclear aromatic compounds, and so far we have discussed near about 141 questions roughly. That question number may not be, it may be vary in 1 or 2 digit maybe. So let's see 142. Today we are going to discuss question number 142 onward. So let's see here the question. Pyridine does not undergo dash reaction at all. Friedel-Crafts, Riemer-Tiemann, both A and B, only B. What do you think? So pyridine does not undergo Friedel-Crafts at all, because as we know that if the aromatic compounds are there, they should undergo electrophilic substitution reaction readily. But pyridine is a 6-membered aromatic heterocyclic compound. If you see the structure of pyridine, the lone pair which is present on nitrogen atom, not involved in a delocalization, means it does not participate in a delocalization or to form or to complete the sextate. It is a excess electron present on that nitrogen atom in the pyridine, and that's why pyridine shows basic properties. And therefore, if that pyridine has a basic in nature, in a Friedel-Crafts reaction, the catalytic amount of Lewis acid is required to enhance or to carry out the reaction when acid and that basic property they can form the salt, and that electrophilic substitution rate of electrophilic substitution reaction is a tremendously or significantly decreased, or electrophilic substitution reaction is not possible at all, and therefore due to the basic property of that pyridine, it does not undergoes Friedel-Crafts reaction at all. So option number A is the right answer. Let's move on to the second. What is it? Let's see. Question number 143. And what is it? See here. Pyridine on heating with KNO3 potassium nitrate in presence of sulfuric acid H2SO4 at 300 degrees centigrade gives a 3-nitropyridine. A is a 3-nitropyridine. B 3-nitropyridine. B 2-nitropyridine, and C will be 4-nitropyridine, and D will be 1-nitropyridine. Now pyridine on heating with KNO3/H2SO4 at 300 degrees centigrade gives dash dash 3-nitropyridine, 2-nitropyridine, and 4-nitropyridine, 1-nitropyridine. Now let us look at the structure of each compound. Let's see here 1, 2, 3. At 3 position there will be nitro group. 2-nitropyridine means the structure is like the at 2 position there will be nitro group. 4-nitropyridine, the structure would be at 4 position there is nitro group present. 1-nitropyridine, let me draw the structure of 1-nitropyridine, will be here NO2, positive charge over here. Now see, these are the different or the various structure of the substituted pyridine. Nitro group specifically present on various position or different positions, and as we know that while making a statement regarding the electrophilic substitution in case of the pyridine undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction at 3 position, and this at the beginning when we had seen the reactions of pyridine, the nature of pyridine, as we know that aromatic in nature, and aromatic compound generally undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. Here the pyridine has 3 different positions. So incoming group, nitro group, when it is treated with potassium nitrate in presence of the sulfuric acid at 300 degrees centigrade, it mainly produce 3-nitropyridine, means 1A option is the right option for this answer. Let us move on to the next question. Next question will be question number 144. Let's see what is it. What is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? A reaction is given. See here, benzene, it would be treated with potassium nitrate in presence of H2SO4 at 300 degrees centigrade, and the product also produced here, given here NO2. Nitro group, incoming group is at 3 position. That is a speciality or the characteristic of that pyridine. Now the options are given. Number 1, sulfonation. Number 2 means B, halogenation. Number C would be nitration, and number D would be Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction, and these are the options are given. 4 options are there. So what do you think, which is the correct option from these 4? Read the question carefully. What is the following reaction? You have to identify, or you have to recognize which one will be the correct option from the following. I think most of you are knowing nitration. This process or this reaction is known as nitration. Let's move on to the next one, that is a question number 145. 145. What is that? 145. What is the following? 145. Pyridine on heating with pyridine on heating with concentrated H2SO4 at 350 degrees centigrade gives dash. Let's see here. 1 pyridine sulfonic acid, A option. 1 pyridine sulfonic acid. B would be 2 pyridine sulfonic acid, and AB. C would be 3 pyridine sulfonic acid, and D would be 4 pyridine sulfonic acid. 4 pyridine sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid. Now, if you see the answer for this 145, pyridine on heating with concentrated H2SO4 at 350 degrees centigrade gives dash dash. Number 1 pyridine sulfonic acid. Number 2 pyridine sulfonic acid. Number 3 pyridine sulfonic acid, and D 4 pyridine sulfonic acid. Let's see the structures of those. 1 pyridine sulfonic acid will be this one. Here you can write SO3H, positive charge comes on that nitrogen atom. 2 pyridine sulfonic acid, I am showing the structure, relative structures according to the options. And let's see, next structure would be at 3 position there will be a there is a SO3H, and fourth one The structure will be SO3H. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the different structure written on the blackboard. 1 pyridine sulfonic acid, 2 pyridine sulfonic acid, 3 pyridine sulfonic acid, 4 pyridine sulfonic acid. And at the beginning we already stated that pyridine undergoes electrophilic substitution mainly at 3 position. So according to that, this is sulfonation reaction is belonging to electrophilic substitution reaction, and therefore the sulfonation occur at 3 position, and therefore C would be the correct option for this. Pyridine on heating with concentrated H2SO4 at 350 degrees centigrade gives 3 pyridine sulfonic acid. So next one, let us move on to the next question, question number 146, and that we are going to see here. Question number 146 here. Let's see what is it. What is the following reaction? 146. What is the following reaction? What is the following? What is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? A reaction is given. It is represented like this. Here H2SO4 at 350 degrees centigrade, it gives sulfonation reaction mainly at 3 position, that is a 3 pyridine sulfonic acid. Now options are A, bromination, B would be sulfonation, C would be nitration, and D would be Friedel-Crafts oscillation. D would be Friedel-Crafts oscillation. Friedel-Crafts oscillation. Let's see here. What is the following reaction? Reaction is given here. See, starting material is a pyridine that will be treated with H2SO4 at 350 degrees centigrade. This is a reaction carried out at high temperature, and it is an electrophilic substitution reaction. And pyridine, as we know that according to the statement we mentioned in our previous lecture while studying the different reactions of pyridine is aromatic in nature, and therefore it undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. So at what position it undergoes? There we mention with their justification, the pyridine undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction mainly at 3 position, and therefore this reaction is given here, and this process is known as a sulfonation. So that is the correct answer for this question. Now let us look at on the next question, that is the question number 147. Let's see that one. Question number 147. Let's see here. Pyridine on heating with pyridine on heating with pyridine on heating with heating with Br2 at 300 degrees centigrade, 300 degrees centigrade gives dash dash dash. Options are given. 3-bromopyridine, 3-bromopyridine, B 3-bromopyridine and 3-5-dibromopyridine. A option. B option is given 2-bromopyridine and 3,5-dimethylpyridine. And C option is given 1-bromopyridine and 3,5-dimethylpyridine. And D would be none of these. D would be none of these. Now if you see the structures of these compounds, 3-bromopyridine, I am showing structure of 3-bromopyridine at this position. This is 3-bromopyridine, common to all. 3-bromopyridine and 3,5-dibromopyridine. Let's see the structure of 3,5. Here pyridine at 3 position, bromine is Br, and at 5 position there is a Br. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Look at here. This is the structure for first one. 2-bromo means at 2 position there is a bromine attached, and 3 means 3,5, it is common to second also. 1-bromo means, let's see here, 1-bromo, Br at this position, and 2, 3 is as it is. So look at here, when pyridine on heating with Br2 at 300 degrees centigrade, let's see the general reaction which we already explained in our description. Here the pyridine treated with Br2 at 350 degrees centigrade, it gives the product, mixture of the products are obtained. 1 Br is here. In addition to that, another product is obtained here a Br, and here also as a Br. So look at, this is a 3-bromo as well as 3,5-dibromopyridine, which will be the correct answer from this. So A would be the correct answer from this. So in this way we have seen the structure number 147. Now move on to the next example. Next example would be this one. Question number 148. Question number 148. Question number 148. That is, what is the following reaction? 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 Question mark. And here the pyridine, this is the structure of pyridine that will be treated with Br2 at 300 degrees centigrade. It produce, the products are given here, 3-bromo pyridine. In addition to that, another mixture of the product is 3,5-dibromo pyridine that is given. Now options are given: A, bromination, B would be nitration, C would be sulfonation, and D would be all of these. See here, what is the following reaction? Here bromine, clearly as we know that it is a bromination reaction. First option is the right answer. So I think these are some of the example, some of the question we have discussed here. In our next lecture, we will discuss the remaining questions. So let's see here, let's stop today here. Remaining we will see in our next lecture. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.